Hey. So I thought I'd share a quick tip, as many of you are probably working with lists of emails that you have, and probably you've noticed that when you download any data from Apollo or any other site, that you have the company names have abbreviations like LLC, or here for this case in Switzerland we have G, and other there's difficult company names like you have the websites in it, or everything spelled all caps or whatever. So if you use this data in your email sequences or your LinkedIn sequences or anything that you do, you'll probably be saying, if you want to use this data, then you'll probably be saying, hey, whatever, I hope you're doing well at Loeb AG, or in this case, I hope, whatever your sentence is, hey, cereal partners worldwide, Nestle, and so on. And so what we do here to simplify this, to make it sound normal and cool in the messages, we just use a simple extension. You can Google it. It's called GPT for Sheets. It's free, but you use your OpenAI credits. So you go in here, you put in a prompt, something like this one here, simplify the company name, remove all things like LLC, Inc., Corp., okay, whatever, Switzerland, all the country names and so on. And then what you can do is you can just, wherever you are, you can just pull this down into the last data point of where you want to be. This list is now extremely long, so I'm going to probably just double click and pull it to the end, or I'll pull it all the way down here. We'll do a couple more rows until we get to maybe 1,000 or so. But you should just be able to double click it and pull it down. Let's go until 1,000. And what it will do, if we did it correctly, there, we didn't get that correct. We took the last one. Here we are. So we can just double click and it will pull it down, and it will load actually all cells. You need to make sure if you're doing this with a lot of data, so like thousands and thousands of rows, make sure you're not using GPT-4 because it can get really expensive. Make sure you're using something cheap like Text DaVinci or any other, cheaper models. You can go look them up at openai.com. You can go check the pricing. Make sure you test it quickly if it's working, if it gives you the output that you're looking for. Here we tested it, we looked at it, all the names were pretty much really well done. And when you're done, when this is finished loading, so it will take a couple of minutes to kind of generate all of these AI queries to output the company names in that way. But once it's done, then you can make sure that you save it all. So you because like this in the sheets, it's not saved properly. So anything that you will change, it might regenerate all of them. So what you have to do is you just have to copy it and paste it again, not as a formula. I'll show you here. We can take these, we copy it, and we paste it again as values only. And that's when you have dropped away the formulas and you've saved it as it is. And then you can delete this or hide it or whatever. Use it in your email campaigns to sound really natural and get more of those replies in and get more of those deals closed. Thanks so much. Ciao, ciao.